ऑफर दिल्ली आहा आणि आमच्या आमदारांनी ती ऑफर मानून घेतली आहा आणि आम्ही चड खुशाल आणि भोकून आमच्या नावेलच्या आमदाराक जे ताणें डेव्हलपमेंटाचो शुअर केलो आहा आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन पार्टी लागून ताणें भरपूर काम केल्लें आहा 17 सीट लास्ट टाइम हाडली आणि आमच्याच भितरल्यान हे लीक करून पयलेच वचोन पारेकाराक मेळोन आनी ताका हाडून हो गव्हर्मेंट घडलो जी डिटेल्स सगळें खबर आहा आणि ताका वयर सरपाक म्हळ्यार बरें डिसिजन करपाक चान्सूच नासलो आणि ऑल द टायम क्रिटिसिजम येतालें सो आमचोच आमदारान चिंतलें बाबा हे क्रिटिसिजम येता जाल्यार आपण तरी कुशीन रावल्यार बरो म्हूण बरी पार्टीन गेल्यार बरो म्हूण आनी ताणें डिसिजन घेतलें हें डिसिजन आमी स्वीकार करताय आनी चड उलयनासतना हांव आमच्या आमदाराक सांगता आपणें कितें सांगपा आहा तें
गेल ते फावटी गेल ते इलेक्शनाक म्हाका जेन्ना सोनिया गांधीनी धाडलो बॉबी यू प्लीज बी दीस अशें करून म्हजेर प्रेशर पडलें लास्ट टायम आय फॉट फॉर सी जेन्ना हांव गेल्ले फावटी गोंयांत येयल्लो गोंयची पॉलिटिकल सिट्युएशन वॉज द सेम आज आमचे कडेन 5 आहाय गेल्ले ते फावटी 6-7 आहले I built a party with your support, with your blessings, and I have decided I will not contest. Last moment to me is to pressure घालताय आणि 15 दीस हांवें म्हणटकूच हांवें डिसिजन घेयलो कंटेस्ट करपाक. I think you remember. Then I was feeling that why I should contest, and you have blessed me with your. You have always blessed me. तुम्ही सदांच तुमचो आशीर्वाद दिल्लो हा. हे पावटी I have got dream for Goa. I have got dream for this country. So I will not do anything without consulting you. Let us meet again. There are so many leaders now in Naveli. Already my गेला 15 candidate bontai mu. So I will come back to you. I am not going away from today. I will take a decision with your support, with your blessings and Almighty God's support. I'll come back. You will see the change. You will see the change after 1 week or 2 weeks. There are a lot of people who wants to come and they don't want to divide a vote. आमचे झूज जे आहा हे काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर ना. We are also Congress party. We also believe in Congress ideology. Our fight is against BJP. Our fight is against these people who are dividing the country. Our fight is against the people who have let down this country. आमची economy काबार जाल्ली हा. Total economic meltdown. आमची GDP has collapsed. Prashant Kishore, who is supposed to be the wizard of elections in the country, and जेणे हुई आत घातला, जावं बिहार, जावं पंजाब काँग्रेस सरकार, जावं YSR in Andhra, जावं Tamil Nadu, जावं Bengal. He has won. तो म्हाका सांगू लागलो की गोंया we have to win. Because हांवें सांगिल्लें ताका how can we win? We have to unite Congress family. पूण समजलो की लुईजन फाल्यां पक्ष सोडून वयता. लुईजन फाल्याचें धरण तात्व पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या तात्वांचेर बशिल्लो आसा आनी सदांच आसतलो. जेन्ना हांव काँग्रेस कुटुंबाचो एक वांगडी काँग्रेस पक्ष म्हजो न्हू. काँग्रेस पक्ष खंयच्याय लिडरांचो न्हू. काँग्रेस पक्ष ही एक देशाची चळवळ जी स्टार्ट केल्ली आमच्या देशाच्या राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधीन, नेरून, सरदार पटेल, इंदिरा गांधी, राजीव गांधी जे लिडर आहे आणि काँग्रेस पक्ष घट केलो, मजबूत केलो. पण काँग्रेस पक्ष आयज फ्रॅगमेंटेड जाल्लो आहा. एके वाटेन सोनिया काँग्रेस, एके वाटेन YSR काँग्रेस, एके वाटेन तृणमूल काँग्रेस, आणि एके वाटेन शरद पवार काँग्रेस कसकत जालो कित्याक काँग्रेसाचे उटकी जाले आयज हो जो बीजेपी सरकार चलता एका तरी आमी हाचे झुजतले जाल्यार काँग्रेस पक्ष एकठांय येवपाची गरज आहा आणि हे आमच्या पक्षाच्या अध्यक्षा श्रीमती सोनिया गांधीक फाटले हांव 2-3 म्हयने बरयता. She has also sacrificed her life. She brought many parties together. She had organized UPA 1, UPA 2. And मुझे एक याद है कि she will sacrifice this time and bring everybody together. Our war today may not be only in Goa. गोंयचे उपरांत आमचे झूज आहा that is at the national level. At the national level आज हे झूज फुडें वतलो जाल्यार आमच्या काँग्रेसांतलो कोणी वांगडी आहा ताका एक आंगांतल्यान काळजांतल्यान आनी रोगतांतल्यान एक शक्ती आहा हू कॅन फायट मोदी. ही शक्तीक आमी वयर काडपा जाय आनी काँग्रेस म्हणून आमी एकवट करपा जाय आनी आमी झूज मारपा जाय. So you have to think out the box. I believe in Congress ideology, so are they. I believe in Congress ideals, so are they. Why are we not coming together? ताणे म्हणलें you take a lead at the state level, you take a lead at the national level. That is the offer. खुंयसून तुमी पयशे हाडले? हांवें पयलेंच म्हणलां Goa is not poor. Goa is one of the richest state in India and in the world. आमचो mineral wealth आहा. All wealth is lakhs of crores of rupees. So we have to utilize, and that belongs not to some people. It belongs to the people of Goa, and that is what Supreme Court has said. Supreme Court has said this wealth belongs to people. You auction it and let it be the income of the state, and that income is enough to maintain Goa as one of the topmost states in the country, where everybody can live happily with self-respect, and everybody can stand on their own legs. So I seek your blessings, I seek your support. I'm going ahead. Roads may not be smooth, but those who dare will win. Those who are scared will never win. Not that I am going first time. तुमच्या आदारान हांवें पयलेच फावट गोंया एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी हाडली काँग्रेस पक्षाक. पण आनी कितें केलें? काँग्रेसान आमचो सरकार उरलो. दिस टायम हांव जेन्ना दिल्ली आशिल्लो, सोनिया गांधीन म्हाका सांगलें तूं दिल्ली यो. म्हाका खूब दूख जातालें वचपाक कित्याक आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू लीव गोवा, बट आय लेफ्ट गोवा. आनी तुमच्या मागण्यांनी आनी देवाच्या आशिर्वादान God gave me success. I brought twice Congress government in Mizoram, twice in Arunachal Pradesh, twice in Meghalaya. I brought in Manipur, and even as a chairman of the election screening committee, I brought in Karnataka also. I tried my best to get a majority. I would have got the majority, but I had 17 plus 1, and that night we had 21, but our own general secretary stopped me. He said, no, you cannot give the letter to the governor. Next day, that majority also was robbed again. Then I was elected, not selected, as a leader of opposition by 13 votes out of 17. Kidago Angel Amdar Sudra Shile. When the government was taken away, I told them, I don't want to be the leader of opposition. I don't want to be CLP leader. लोक आमकडे विचारलो तुमकां मेजॉरिटी दिली, तुमी कितें केलें? तुमी सरकार उगडायलो. तेज उपरांत आमगेलो जनरल सेक्रेटरी दिल्लीचो गेलो कोण आमदारा बरें आनी सांगिल्लें लुईजन फालेर ना जाल्यार आमी 24 वरां भितर सरकार कोताय म्हूण. लुईजन फालेराक काळें एज अ PCC president. I left CLP leadership. I came back and I told them, I will submit my resignation as a president, तुम्ही जरी 24 वरां भितर सरकार करूंक शकताय जाल्यार सरकार करेल. I am waiting for 24 hours to be completed. I am waiting for that government. Let me tell you, I have suffered in silence. It was a dignified silence. It was a pain. But I am not bothered about my pain. So for 4.5 years, if I have suffered in dignified pain and suffering, I am thinking of you. Tumi, Donchu Lokan, who has voted us. So if my suffering is so much, how much suffering will be yours who have supported the Congress party when you got the single largest majority? So let us stop this suffering. Let us start a new day with a new formula. And I can tell you, if you know a good way, if you have got a good roadmap, God will bring victory to the popular aspirations of Goa and Goans. किती पाऊल मारू शकला आमची दोन इंस्पिरेशन डिमांड आहले ड्युअल एम्बिशन्स.
हेलो सॉरी 5 मिनट लेट झालो कैसा है
Well,